Hey everybody, it's Lindsay from Garden Minutes and the North End Organic Nursery. This summer we took a little bit of a hiatus from doing a lot of the videos that we've been doing on this channel. It's been really busy at the nursery, school's been out, lots of trips and vacations and fun stuff. But getting back into the end of summer here and going into the fall months, we're gonna start making some more, and I need some help. I would love to know what you all would like to see us do as far as creating some of these videos that we do. So my request is if you could comment in the comments below this video the type of videos you'd like to see us cover. So give us some subject matters that you would really like to know more about in regards to gardening, homesteading, anything that has to do with living a sustainable life. We would love to start covering more of those topics. We would also love for you to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that when we do produce these new videos, you get a chance to see them first. Anybody who does these things with the subscribing to the channel and leaving us a comment, if you're local here, we will give you a $5 reward, which is like a $5 credit to the North End Organic Nursery, and you can spend that on any purchase you do over $25. If you're part of our rewards program, you're familiar with this. So please subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications, and also leave us a comment below with what you would like to see covered on this channel. Thank you everybody for watching us, and we look forward to producing a bunch more videos this fall. This has been Lindsay with Garden Minutes. See you later.